All right, now I've got the bolts on here all loose on both sides. Loose on this side, loose on this side, and I also got these busted loose up on top here. Just a 11/16 3/8 drive socket, and that's the same one I used for these bolts here around the perimeter. Okay, so take these bolts out here. One thing I wanted to show before I get this too far apart was all the slack that's, I don't know if that's normal. I'm not a 1952 Ford tractor mechanic, so I don't know if that's, there is kind of a, this pump runs the 3-point hitch on the back up and down, and there is kind of a thumping or glunking noise as it goes up and down. I don't know if those parts are really worn or if that's normal, but anyway, I've got a rebuild kit. That's these here. So looks like a piston on each end with a floating bushing there. There's 2 of those. There's one in each, one here and one here. Then this is the PTO bushing, which is right there. We'll replace that. And then these here are the valves that go inside of here. You take this out, there's new valves and things go in there. Some new springs. One for each side. And a pressure relief valve, which is here. These 2 valves down here, this one and this one on this side, there's nothing for working on those, so I'll just leave those alone. There's a rod that comes down from the top, okay, where your 3-point hitch arms are, and it runs this in and out on these valves, I guess, to regulate the height where you set your arms at. So there's nothing in the rebuild kit for that, so I'll just leave that alone. So anyway, this would be the front of the tractor here, where this little drain plug is down here. Okay, so if we take these, I've taken the bolts out of there, and of course the gasket's going to is really on there. Take these bolts out on this side. Okay, and then I guess we could use this to maybe tap one there a little bit. Nope. I'll have to get a tool to undo those. Hammer or something, pry bar.